I decided that when my youngest kid graduated from high school, I wanted tap shoes. So I bought some tap shoes, and they were like this. Look, you've got a tap on here and a tap on here, and they just make lots of noise. Oh, and I love watching tap. So I decided I would join a group, and guess what? It was for beginners, but they went so fast I could not keep up. So I've put my tap shoes aside for a while, and I decided, you know what? Maybe I'll take it up again later. Well, I have discovered that online you can go as fast as you want or as slow as you want. Now, all you need is a place like this. This is the cement floor. Or you need some kind of flooring that will not scrape up. We don't care if this gets marked up, and I don't think we could anyway. Anyway, here's an idea for you. Why not do something for yourself besides for your kids? Have fun. Let's learn, let's play, and be creative.